Similarly, watch this angle as it passes the sun. You get light getting refracted by those pressure waves. Those are the hard-edged shock waves that create the rocket crackle sound that we hear. And then as it ascends through a cloud layer, we also see concentric waves heading outwards. And this is the high pressure wave causing the cloud to disappear, and the low pressure is where the cloud gets enhanced. This is the same thing that causes vapor cones around jets that are flying close to the speed of sound. So anyway, as I said, we knew that there would be changes for this mission.